guys, welcome to Martinmade. My name's Stephanie, and today we are continuing our series on cleaning. So this week I am doing cleaning videos each and every day, showing you what I do every day for cleaning my home. So let's get going. Again, starting off my day, I make my bed and work on that. If you don't make your bed every single morning, it is definitely worth it. In the evenings when you come in and you see that bed ready for you to just climb in, it is a wonderful feeling. While I was in the bedroom, I went ahead and just wiped down my counters and mirror. This is not a full clean, it's just a quick wipe to get any water spots up. And then it was time to get the little lady up. Hi, pretty girl. Yeah. And then it was time to feed the little lady. She eats with Silas normally, but Silas had a crazy night, so he slept in this morning. Once she was done eating, I wiped down the table really quick and then right into getting myself ready. It's always nice when I can do that really quick before the day gets going too much. It can be really crazy some mornings, and then it's noon before I'm actually getting myself ready. Now, since I was already in the bathroom getting myself ready, I went ahead and just wiped down the mirror and counter. Again, this is just a quick wipe, making sure everything is just kind of cleaned up a bit for the day. Once I was done with the bathroom, I went on into the kitchen. By this time, Silas was awake and he was eating. So while he ate, I went ahead and started getting dishes ready, running the water for any of the dishes that couldn't go in the dishwasher, and cleaning out the dishwasher from the night before and loading it up for the day. dishes were all done, everything was cleaned up. I went ahead and wiped the counters down. This is just a quick wipe again, just making sure everything's sanitized. And the same thing with the table. I wait till Silas is done eating and then wipe the table down. Now, once I was done with the table, I went ahead and cleaned the back door. This door gets so filthy, especially in the winter. Silas will touch it with his dirty gloves and everything, so I went ahead and cleaned that up, got it all good to go. Now, once the kids are all dressed, I will take and get all of the laundry from the day before, and I go ahead and get my one load of laundry in for the day. Now it's on to the clutter. This can be crazy sometimes, and other times it can be really just a couple of things. So I went ahead and got all of the clutter picked up from the night before and folded the laundry from the previous day because it didn't get done. And then on to the entrance, just kind of straighten things up as well. Now, Tuesdays are dusting days. This is the day I just go around the whole house and I get all of the crevices and all with the dusting. Now, dusting is the one thing I hate. I feel like you never get to the end of it. So it takes some time, but I really try to do that every single week and just get everything wiped down. Then the last thing left to do is to get the laundry out of the dryer and get it folded, and I'm done for the day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. For those of you who are new to this channel, you can hit that red subscribe button down below. Please comment. You can also hit a little bell that's there if you would like to be notified every time I upload a new video. Can't wait to hear from you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.